Windows Update stuck. Whether it's at 0%, 35%, 42%, 97%, 99%, or even 100%. This video will fix it. I'll show you exactly how. Let's get started.
Here's what's happening. Your Windows Update has frozen, and it could be stuck at any percentage. The most commonly reported hang points are 0%, 35 to 38%, 42%, 97 to 99%, and even 100% where it looks finished but isn't. The most common causes are corrupted update cache files, insufficient disk space, Windows Update service not running, network interruptions, and third-party antivirus interference.
First, let's figure out if it's actually stuck. On an SSD with a small update, give it 15 to 30 minutes. For large feature updates on an SSD, 30 to 90 minutes is normal. If you're on an older hard drive, it could take 1 to 4 hours. But if there's no disk activity for more than 30 minutes, it's time to take action.
Fix number 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Then go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. This built-in tool automatically detects and fixes common update problems. It resolves about 40% of cases. Restart your PC after it finishes.
Fix number 2. And this is the most effective one. Clear the Windows Update cache. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Find Windows Update, right-click it, and select Stop. Now open File Explorer and navigate to C:\Windows\Software Distribution. Delete everything inside that folder. Go back to Services, right-click Windows Update, and start it again. Restart your PC and check for updates. This fixes about 60% of stuck update cases.
Fix number 3. Run DISM and SFC to repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. First, run DISM to repair the component store. Type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Wait for it to finish, then run SFC by typing SFC /scanno. Always run DISM first because SFC depends on the repaired component store.
Fix number 4. Reset all Windows Update components. This is the comprehensive solution. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Stop all update services by running net stop woserv, net stop bits, net stop cryptsef, and net stop ms server. Then rename the cache folders. Finally, restart all 4 services. This full reset works for about 80% of stubborn cases.
Here are some quick tips that often help. Unplug all external USB devices, including drives and printers. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus software for 10 to 30 minutes. Make sure you have at least 20 gigabytes of free space on your system drive, and double-check that your system date and time are correct, because wrong time can break update downloads.
If nothing else works, here's your last resort. Download the Windows Update Assistant from Microsoft's official website. Run the tool and choose to keep your personal files. It will force install the latest Windows version. You can also manually download specific updates from the Microsoft Update Catalog.
To prevent this from happening again, follow these tips. Restart your PC weekly to install pending patches. Always keep at least 20 gigabytes free on your system drive. Use Windows Defender instead of third-party security tools. Connect to stable wired internet for large updates. Keep your laptop plugged in during updates. And regularly update your GPU and network drivers.
And that's it! Your Windows Update should now work perfectly. Remember the fix order? Restart first, then Troubleshooter, clear cache, run DISM and SFC. And if needed, do the full reset or use the Update Assistant.